2010 Honda Odyssey has a little bit of hesitation as it's accelerating. So I'm going to use a fuel system cleaner to hopefully help any of the injectors or a fuel system really to improve its performance. So what I'm going to do today is use Liquid Moly gasoline system cleaner in my Odyssey. Well, I've used other fuel system cleaners with different varied results. People say this is pretty good. A lot of reviews, good reviews, so we'll see. So I'm gonna pour that in. So to get it ready, open the top, and there is that. Okay, and the nozzle will fit on here, and that will help me pour it into the gas tank. I think that's good to go. All right, and I have half a tank of gas, so and I'm gonna put some more gas in after I put Liquid Moly. I think what they say on the back is it's good for anywhere from 7 gallons to 18 gallons of fuel. Okay. So the Odyssey takes less than 18 gallons for sure, so it should be good. Let's pour it right in. Okay, looks like all that. I'm gonna fill up the gas tank just so that it mixes well with the gas. Alright. Good. Pop that in the trash. Alright, so let's see. It's not gonna take probably more than 7 to 8 gallons. So after I put in Liquid Moly in the Odyssey, I've put in 2 more tanks of gas, and the vehicle has been doing pretty good. I don't see any kind of vibration. Even at 600 RPM, it's a very stable RPM. So there's no issue with the vehicle in the RPM side of things. And even when I start driving it, the issue I was facing before, which is that in the past it felt like maybe it was missing, maybe the injectors were not doing good, there was something going on with the fuel system. But now, as I take, as I'm driving it, there's no missing, there's no power missing from the vehicle. Very good performance, and I definitely would recommend Liquid Moly, and it did the job. And the issue I was having before, I don't have it anymore. Thanks for watching.